Hello, myself Pinjal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today we discuss about tangent of a circle. This is the topic of the circles chapter 10 of standard 10th. First we understand tangent of a circle's definitions. You have one circle and one point outside to the circle, and from this point line just touch to that circle. So this touch to the circle is called point of contact, and this line is called tangent to the given circle. This is the circle with suppose center O. So this line suppose xy is called tangent to the circle, and suppose this point P is point of contact. So this is the tangent to a circle. It cannot pass through the circle, just touch to the one point of a circle. And from any exterior point to the circle, suppose this is point exterior A. We have two tangent from any point exterior to the circle. This is the one tangent from A, and this is another tangent from A. So we have only two tangent from any exterior point to the circle. We consider theorem 10.1 based on this tangent. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of a contact. First we understand its statement. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Means this is your circle, this is your tangent. Suppose I say this is xy, and this is its point of contact, suppose P, and this is your center O. So you want to prove that this OP is perpendicular to the xy. Now what is given in our statement? Here circle with center O and xy is tangent to this circle. What you want to prove? That this is the given thing. What you want to prove? That this OP perpendicular to this xy. For proving this, I take one point on this tangent. Suppose I take this Q here. Let point Q on tangent x1. We can't take this Q here on circle, because if we take Q here, then this xy is become a secant, not a tangent, and we should be take here point Q on this tangent. That's why possibility is here, 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 anyway. Now, if you take this point on this tangent, then distance from this point to the center. Suppose Q is here, then this is. Suppose your Q is here, then this. Suppose your Q is here, then this. Same way on left side. But if your Q is putting on P, then this become the shortest distance of this P or Q2 from this center. And this shortest become definitely perpendicular, because this data is definitely increase, and this is the straight. So this is become a shortest distance from O to P, and this is become a perpendicular. So you write here, let point Q on xy. Q is also exterior point of circle. This is the exterior point of the circle, that means outside of the circle. Therefore, your OQ distance is more than your OP distance. Now let Q at any point on XY, but shortest distance become OP or OQ, which is obviously become perpendicular. So our proof is complete. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.